Well, my name is Gerson David Caro Hernandez. I'm going to talk about the rural-urban migration. Um, this subtopic is located on the core topic of global issues. As the name it says, the rural-urban migration is the high percentage of displacement of the population um, to the cities or to the urban areas. According to this create a high percentage and a overpopulation on cities, and the decrease of this one on the rural areas. Some causes of of this rural-urban migration is the inadequate social amenities in the rural areas. For example, the rural territories doesn't have a good access to electricity or other services like water. Also, they don't have good roads, good schools, or good hospitals, or even though some recreational centers. This, in addition to the inadequate jobs, makes the rural migration because the population wants to improve their conditions uh, and have some adequate social amenities that cannot be present in the rural territories. An example of this rural urban migration is the Colombian case. In Colombia, in addition to the other causes that I have explained previously, is the forced displacement because of the violent conflict in Colombia. People in Colombia uh, don't don't go to cities because of inadequate social amenities. They also have or displaced to cities uh, because the violent conflict and to have like peace or better conditions in cities. This makes that in Colombia the unemployment because of the overpopulation will be present in cities, making an increasing the crime and the insecurity in the city. Also makes that the rate of development on rural areas are not cannot be adequate and high, making that its economical area have not a good development and making an economical an economical loss in the country that suffered this, in this case Colombia. For solve this, in my opinion, government have to improve the conditions in in the rural areas, making to them some access for for the social for social amenities, improving their schools, their hospitals, and making to them access for the for services as such wa- water or electricity. Also, taking into account the violent conflict, the government have to make secure and safe the farmers and the population present in the rural areas, for making that this this territory in Colombia uh, have a good development, making to us to have our own resources, and that this economical area have a good development. Uh, Also, that making some education and teach people that they are also important to society for develop these rural areas. To this for prevent the rural urban migration and have like an equilibrium in the Colombian society.